Here we have an Edco line remover grinder. It's powered by a Honda 11 horsepower engine. Before we start it, we're going to show you the depth adjustment. So you'll see that this is going to go down. So it's going downward as I turn it. And that's so that your grinding wheel can hit and start grinding. So right around there is where it's probably hitting right there. So we'll go up and then we'll start it and then we'll lower it again. Another thing too, underneath we'll be able to show the grinding wheel. So I didn't want to get too crazy on the grind since it's really not, but it was grinding right over in this area here. Okay, that is an Edco grinder line remover.